So in this Fotor tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to add charts to a design here on Fotor. So once Fotor is opened up, I want you to go ahead to the left-hand side of your screen and press on Elements. Then at the top right here, there's illustrations, which you can go ahead and use. Sorry, not what you're looking for here. You can go ahead and kind of view it this way, but you can also go and as I mentioned before, press charts right here. You can also scroll down and perhaps find it as well, but just for simplicity's sake, we'll just go ahead and press on charts right here. Now, once you're here, you can view a bunch of different charts. So you can go ahead and add, a bar chart. If you're looking to go ahead and do that, if you want to change the information of the bar chart, right here, you can change the title, the text, the font, etc. You can also go ahead and edit chart data right here as well. You can go ahead and scroll down. So if you wanted to maybe add a pie chart, same idea. You can go ahead and do that. Edit the chart data right here and a bunch of different information. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can edit or how to add a chart to a design here on Fotor. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.